Hi, Wesley with Expandacraft again. This time we're doing the in-water test of the Vaquita electric drive. And I've got it on the short boat. This is the 12-footer, which is the first time I've had an electric boat as a 12-footer. I used to have a 16-footer to carry the weight of the heavy lead-acid battery. With this thing only weighing 8 pounds, no problem. I'm going to do a half-throttle experience today and see how far it'll go on half throttle and what speed. That's the controller.
Wesley is demonstrating the Vaquita motor by ePropulsion. We'll give you a link to their website. He's set it up on a rudder system that he created. So he's got a tiller and a rudder, and the propulsion system's actually attached to the onboard rudder. You can see it turns quite nicely. And he's going on half throttle right now on a Expandacraft 12-foot wide glide.
I like it. It goes quick. Again, what I do here, well, I've got to hook up my line. I'm going to put a line right here, and this way I can pull this up, and if I get weeds in there, disconnect the battery first. I can get the weeds out and put it right back down. Now, this boat, plenty stable to stand up on, so that you can retrieve your paddles when they fall apart.
That paddle's actually just missing its pin.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, so we're going to go do the test now and see how far she'll go. Expandacraft.com.